Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
All quiet now in the Rogue Valley. A live look from Medford. We have mostly clear skies. It is still awfully warm this hour, 83 degrees. We did have some thunderstorm activity work into Jackson County, also parts of Josephine County. There are still some lingering showers and a few isolated thunderstorms still hanging out on the east side. These will continue to fizzle out as we go through the overnight hours, but we have more thunderstorms in the forecast for tomorrow, and actually coverage could be a little bit even more than what we saw today. Take a look though, the storm clouds made for a gorgeous sunset in Grants Pass. Alexander sharing this just beautiful photo. You can see some of these cumulonimbus clouds and just making for just a beautiful view with the setting sun. And we could do it all over again tomorrow as we are tracking again more thunderstorms for your Tuesday. It will still be hot, not as hot as what we got to today, 104 degrees in Medford. We'll do 98 tomorrow in Medford, 97 in Grants Pass, up to 91 in Klamath Falls, and 90 in Mount Shasta. Storms will start to fire up around midday into the early afternoon hours, first in Siskiyou County and then east of the Cascades. And we could see some thunderstorms roll into the Rogue Valley, especially more so in Jackson County over Josephine County. So in Medford by late in the afternoon, especially those early evening hours around 6, 7 o'clock or so, there will be at least an opportunity for a thunderstorm. Still, again, temperatures getting pretty hot tomorrow into the upper 90s in the Rogue Valley. And some of these storms tomorrow, one or two could be on the strong to severe side, mainly in this dark green shaded area where we have a marginal risk of severe weather. That just means one or two storms could produce some damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour and hail up to an inch in diameter. Storms will also, of course, be capable of abundant lightning and also some heavy downpours, and they will be rather slow movers for the most part. So tomorrow morning's pretty quiet, but then in the afternoon, thunderstorms start firing up east of the Cascades and into Siskiyou County, but the coverage of storms will pick up as we head through the late afternoon into the early evening hours. Maybe some storms making it in west of the Cascades, especially into the Medford area. And then as we head into tomorrow night, a little bit of a lull around 11 o'clock, but some nocturnal nighttime thunderstorms will be possible east of the Cascades as we head into the wee morning hours of Wednesday. And then Wednesday afternoon, just a slight chance of a thunderstorm on the east side primarily. Notice it won't be as warm in the basin on Wednesday, in the 80s, upper 70s, and blustery for Thursday. In the Rogue Valley, we're going to be dropping those temperatures back, but still, again, a storm possible later in the day tomorrow. And then cooling back, this heat wave wraps up pretty quick here in the days ahead. Your 7-day forecast for the coast, pretty quiet weather. We should avoid any thunderstorms over the next couple of days, just mainly dealing with the marine layer. Northern California, the chance for thunderstorms tomorrow, temperatures dropping back later in the week. Good chance for scattered storms tomorrow in the basin, one or two strong to severe. Slight chance of a thunderstorm again Wednesday afternoon. Up into the mountains, we'll have the chance for some scattered thunderstorms tomorrow. Temperatures dropping back as we go through the rest of the work week. And then in the Rogue Valley, that slight chance for a thunderstorm late in the day tomorrow. Temperatures easing back and all in all looking pretty comfortable for your Father's Day weekend.